If you want to activate Gemini on OPPO Reno 15, then we have many different ways that allow you to do so. One of the methods is to simply open the Gemini app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. If you go over here, you might see a welcome message and you will have to confirm that you want to use Gemini, but after that you can of course use the Gemini app. We can write your prompt, you can also attach some files in here. You have additional options at the bottom of the screen like the microphone or the live chat, which is pretty decent. And this is one of the main ways to use Gemini. Besides that, you also have a shortcut. By default, you can press and hold the power button in order to activate the Gemini, and the microphone is also activated by default, so you can just say whatever you want to ask Gemini, whatever you are looking for, and you can easily get an answer after that. And besides that, we also have a simple gesture. We can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner of the phone inwards, like this for example, and this also allows you to activate Gemini just like that. Of course, the power button shortcut or the swipe gesture can be enabled and disabled, so if it doesn't work for you for some reason, of course you might want to check your settings. And if you're looking for these settings, then let me just quickly show you. So if we open settings and go to accessibility and convenience, then over here we can choose the power button, and in here we can decide if we want to use the power button shortcut. For the swiping gesture, we need to go to system and update, then in here go to the system navigation, and then in here we can find the digital assistant from Google, and it works for both buttons and gestures. And besides that, what you can also do is you can use a widget. In my case, I have my widget already created, but you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, go to widgets here at the bottom of the screen, look for Gemini, there we go. Then we can use the add button, and then you can easily add the Gemini widget. Of course, we can change its size, we can make it wider, bigger in general, so it's up to you how big it should be. It is pretty great that we can resize it quite easily just like that. As you can see, it can be also really tiny. And we can use it in order to quickly activate Gemini, or one of the shortcuts that you can see if the widget is actually slightly bigger. And furthermore, what you can also do is you can use the Hey Google voice activation. So to be able to use it, first we need to enable that. So we're gonna go back to the Gemini app. Now tap on your Google account here in the upper right corner, and then we should be able to find settings. Now in settings we have talk to Gemini hands-free, and we need to enable Hey Google over here. And if you turn it on for the first time, you will have to set it up, which is really simple. You will have to say a couple of sentences out loud, and that is pretty much it. So then you can say Hey Google to activate Gemini. So that is pretty much it. These are all the main ways to activate Gemini and to use Gemini on OPPO Reno 15. Leave a like and subscribe.